Hi, today I'll present you the second part on the topic related to using VrayCryptomatte files, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make adjustments and fine-tune every detail of your videos and animations in After Effects. And you will see how easy it is with the help of Cryptomatte. If you are not familiar with VrayCryptomatte, I suggest that you check out part 1, where I show you how to set them up in 3ds Max and export frames as EXR files. Also, you can check out our videos on animation as well. Links will be in the description. I hope you find them useful. Now, with all this out of the way, let's start by loading in After Effects a short sequence that I have prepared. It is just a couple of frames, but it is enough to present you the workflow. So by double clicking here, we go to the place where the frames are located. We select the first one and double click it, and all the frames are loaded here. By drag and dropping to this button, we create a composition from our frames. Now the first thing we should do is go to composition settings, and check out the frame rate that it corresponds to the one we intended and we have adjusted in our 3D software. After that we have confirmed the frame rate is the same, we press OK and we are ready to start with the post-production. So the first thing we do is by Ctrl D, we duplicate the layer and we go to the effects and presets, and here we type Cryptomatte. Here it is, and we drag and drop it in our new copy of the sequence. So here we click in the blank where the layer is, and here are the layers of the Cryptomattes that we have set up. So here will be several Cryptomattes, as many as you have created. For the moment it's just one, which is by material, but if you have created by layer, it will be like a second copy of the VrayCryptomatte, and you can select it here. So we choose this, press OK, and now here in the screen we can select every object and it creates a perfect mask of that object. So for example, let's choose this wooden tablet, and then from here we choose the Mate RGBA. So like this it creates a mask, and now we can place over it all kinds of adjustments, and it will affect only this object, like you see. We can adjust also the hue saturation of this object, make it more saturated or desaturated, make it lighter or brighter, wherever we like. And in such a manner we can adjust every single object in our scene as we like. I'll make some post from it from now on, and we'll see at the end how this sequence will look like. If you find this content useful, please like this video and consider subscribing to our channel. It will mean a lot to us. So after the adjusting every single object in this scene, so fine-tuning it, desaturating or saturating some objects, playing with the brightness and contrast, we can get a very nice realistic result. I hope you like it. If you did enjoy anything in this video, then drop a like and a big thank you to everyone who does. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and join us. We have some great videos coming up next that you don't wanna miss. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.